Hi, welcome back. We are at the LD Micro Invitational here at Westlake Village in California at the Four Seasons Hotel, and we are live. With me, I have CEO and CFO of Marijuana Company of America, Inc., Mr. Jesus Quintero. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, happy to have you. The ticker on OTC markets is MCOA. Just to kick us off, please tell us what Marijuana Company of America is all about.
Well, Marijuana Company of America, being a public company trading on the OTC markets, we are really an incubator, a promoter of CBD, THC, and hemp in the actual industry. We try to promote and we try to acquire many companies and try to incubate them so that we can create strength between the organizations. We try to take companies that have a lot of potential and we try to acquire them and try to build them so that we can help them achieve success at levels that they probably could not achieve alone. So our company, we're very enthusiastic. We try to partner as much as we can with as many organizations that we can help.
Excellent. What are you most passionate about? What drives you and excites you the most about this company?
What I'm very passionate about is the company under my leadership so far. We've been really very open-minded. We're very excited about the cannabis space. We see a lot of opportunities out there where we can come in and actually, with our expertise, we can actually help them grow. We have a very strong board of directors that have a lot of experience in hemp and CBD. We have a medical advisor as well. And what we're trying to do is trying to really take advantage of the cannabis space. There's so many great companies that are struggling, financial conditions, economics, just the fact that the market is so intense. But we believe with our financial structure and our experiences, we can bring them in and actually be able to help them and watch them grow. We've already made an acquisition of a distributor that was struggling and now is doing really well. And now we're acquiring a cultivator out of California,
Excellent.
which we're more excited about as well, and looking to do more.
I bet. Sounds like there's a lot on the horizon.
It's very exciting for us right now. We're really very passionate about it, and we're searching and we're working hard, working with all of our. We consider any acquisition we have a partnership.
Of course. Tell us more about the strengths of the company.
Right now, the strength of the company is in its expertise, and it's in. Right now, financially, we're doing well with our shareholders. We're looking for more long-term investors as we continue to grow our organization. Now we're expanding internationally. Now we're in Brazil, we're in Uruguay, and we're looking to expand in other Latin American countries as well as Europe. And it's exciting. You know, I have a lot of experience myself internationally, which I'm bringing to the table to the company, and it's helping us really expand. CBD, THC, and hemp are actually new outside of the United States.
Right.
So we're going into markets penetrating for the first time, which is extremely exciting.
Absolutely. Wow. It sounds interesting. How would you, just to touch a bit on the bottom line performance, how would you summarize that for us?
Oh no, our bottom line has been improving, and our numbers are becoming what we call historical now, because now we're hitting revenue levels we've never hit.
Great.
Our profitabilities are increasing, our losses are going down. Our balance sheet has really increased tremendously. We're up at least $3 to $4 million more, and we're growing, and we continue to grow, and we're looking to do that. And with our continued expansion and acquisitions, we really are very excited about where we want to go, where we want to be.
The vision is everything.
Well, definitely we have the vision, and we're being very methodical and very deliberate with it.
Great.
We're not like, we know where we want to be and where we want to go.
Great. So to fuel that vision, what strategies are you deploying to get there?
Well, we're working with basically investors on a long-term basis. Even though we're on the OTC market, we want to see ourselves someday migrate to a higher level market. With doing so, it depends on the level and quality of investors, which we're working with many of them now to try to be able to get the company financially stronger, a stronger capital base, so we can take the company to a level where we can achieve the things we want to achieve.
Excellent. So you've touched a little bit on the revenue, etc. But can you give us a little more detail on the reported earnings and revenue?
The revenues have increased because of now of our new distributor, and we increase it. We expect once we complete our acquisition of the cultivator in California, that will increase our revenues even more. So right now for us, every quarter is historical.
Excellent.
We're reporting numbers we've never reported, and we've been around since 2015. So this year is very exciting for us.
Great. The acquisitions you're working on, can you give us a little more light on that?
Sure. We're working right now on an acquisition of a cultivator that's out of Salinas, California.
Yeah.
And they do a lot of what we call cloning. And basically, no process of marijuana, the process of planting seeds, cultivating, it takes 6 months or so.
Right.
With cloning, the process is cut almost in half. And with this cultivator we have, they're very good at it. We have a lot of clients and we're working on that and we're trying to help them actually expand and grow. But we have to complete the acquisition process, which there's due diligence, there's transfers of licenses and things like that. So it takes time. So we're almost there, but we're still in the process.
Great. A little bit more about you.
Me?
What is your background? Why do you find yourself in this space?
Basically, my background is finance and accounting, and I'm a CPA. And basically, in my career, I've been fortunate enough to not be, although I'm a CPA, I've never always been in an accounting capacity. I've been in a capacity where I've been more of a financial consultant, business consultant. I've been able to, work with different businessmen, entrepreneurs that are not financially driven, rather business driven. So it's given me an opportunity to learn and grow and understand the real meaning of being a businessman. And that's why I think my background has really helped me a lot.
Wonderful. In closing, can you give us 3 key takeaways for our investors?
The key for us is to watch us as we continue to do acquisitions and mergers. We look for a lot of joint ventures, which can then become acquisitions.
Right.
We have a vision to be able to see the transactions as they start to develop and grow. And there's a lot of opportunities out there that it may start out as a simple joint venture to make a good business deal that eventually evolves into becoming an acquisition.
Fantastic. So where can we find more information?
You can go to our website, marijuanacompanyofamerica.com.
Excellent. Again, that ticker is MCOA. Jesus, thank you so much for a wonderful
Thank you
conversation.
for having me.
You're very welcome. This is the Sequire Spotlight. Stay tuned for more.
Thank you.